Hello friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechTide Digital Lifestyle for Electronics class. Today we are going to study two very important circuits, half-wave rectifier and full-wave rectifier. These circuits convert AC into DC and are used in almost every charger and adapter. So let us begin. Friends, our house supply is AC current. But mobile phones, laptops and electronic circuits work only on DC. So what do? We use a circuit called a rectifier. Rectifier is simply a device which converts AC into DC using special components called diodes. Let us understand AC and DC quickly. AC means alternating current, it keeps changing its direction again and again. DC means direct current, it flows only in one direction. Battery gives DC, wall socket gives AC. Rectifier is used to change AC into DC. The most important part of a rectifier is the diode. A diode is like a one-way gate. It allows current to flow in only one direction and blocks the opposite direction. That is why it is perfect for making rectifiers. Now let us study the first type, half-wave rectifier. It uses only one diode. As the name suggests, it converts only half of the AC wave into DC. This is a very simple circuit, but not very efficient. During the positive half cycle of AC, the diode becomes forward biased and current flows. So we get output. But during the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased. So no current flows. Therefore only one half of the AC signal appears at the output. Voiceover, if we see the output waveform, we get only positive pulses. There are gaps between them. This means the DC is not smooth and has lot of ripple. That is the disadvantage of half-wave rectifier. Now comes the improved version, the full-wave rectifier. It converts both positive and negative halves of AC into DC. Because of this, efficiency is higher and output is much smoother. That is why it is used in real power supplies. The most popular full-wave rectifier is the bridge rectifier. It uses 4 diodes arranged in bridge form. It does not require a center-tapped transformer. This is the type used inside mobile chargers. During the positive half cycle, 2 specific diodes conduct and current flows through the load. During the negative half cycle, the other 2 diodes conduct. But in both cases, current through the load flows in the same direction. So we get output during the entire cycle. The output waveform now has pulses for both halves. There are no big gaps. Ripple is much less, so the DC is smoother compared to half-wave rectifier. Let us compare both circuits. Half-wave uses only one diode and has low efficiency. Full-wave uses 4 diodes and gives better output. That is why we use full-wave rectifiers in practical devices. Rectifiers are used everywhere. Inside your mobile charger, laptop adapter, UPS and battery chargers, full-wave rectifiers are present. Without rectifiers, electronic devices cannot work. So friends, today we learned that rectifier converts AC to DC. Half-wave rectifier uses only one half cycle. Full-wave rectifier uses both halves and gives better output. That is why full-wave rectifier is preferred in practical circuits. I hope you well understand this topic, so like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel TechTide Digital Lifestyle and hit bell icon for next video update. Thanks you guys watching this.